Guess the restaurant by emoji. Can you guess the restaurant? This is McDonald's. Go ahead. Can you guess the restaurant? Domino's Pizza. Fantastic effort. Can you guess the restaurant? Taco Bell, which serves a variety of Mexican-inspired foods. Can you guess the restaurant? Nice work, it's Dairy Queen. Can you guess the restaurant? Very great, it's Burger King. Can you guess the restaurant? Very great, it's Wendy's. Can you guess the restaurant? It's KFC, the restaurant chain that specializes in fried chicken. Can you guess the restaurant?
Church's Chicken, you nailed it.
Can you guess the restaurant? This is Popeye's. Keep it up. Can you guess the restaurant? The answer is Subway.
Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Yay!